Here it is, the final stage of what I've been doing to extend, improve, change and move around bits of the FeckHallBahn. It's actually the only bit of the entire railway that's been built on purpose, and using advice and knowledge I've gleaned from social media, YouTube and friends, I think I'm doing it properly for once. First of all, getting the levels right, securing the track in a couple of places and using the weatherproof offcuts of the sleepers that I've made the cutting with to support the track in a couple of key places before ballasting. Then doing some deliberate planting of thyme, a little bit of parsley there to look like small trees, and there will be some lavender and a bit more thyme coming later. I'm reinforcing the edges of the dugout cutting rather than the one I've sawn through the timber sleepers with bits of slate, offcuts from when we had our roof done, and my slate cutting tool. It'll look a little bit Welsh if I was to leave it there, but it's going to be ballasted up to the top of that level. The rail car is just about the most prone to derailment vehicle I've got. So having checked all the levels and before final securing, I'm running her through both forwards and backwards to make sure that the track will accept that rail car and allow it to run. In pinning the track down in a couple of places, I've obviously changed the levels slightly and given a bit of adverse cant on that bend, so the rail car's derailing. Before I ballast it up, I want to make sure that those levels are right. Here I am, chucking 10mm P shingle in, followed by small granite chippings that will form ballast. The next stage is to run a loaded train through it on the second most derailing loco I have, the Mamod Bolton Baskerville, although with its reprofiled wheels it's much less likely to derail. That's gone through with no problems whatsoever. Some sweeping up, some finishing touches, a bit of adjustment of the engine shed at the end there, which is the engineer's workshop, and the job's finished. And my longest wheelbase loco, one of the 262s, is going through. A little bit of a hesitation there. You'll notice that a signal has moved, and the job, as we say in these parts, is a good one. Thanks for watching, and I really hope you've enjoyed this saga of making the FeckHallBahn into a loop. Goodbye.